hosting the Mahakumbh, Prayagraj seems to have become a sangam for politics as well. On a day when the opposition was up in arms, on the day when Prime Minister taking the holy dip, news came in that Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar is also planning a visit soon to the Mahakumbh. Now, this news immediately prompted sharp reactions from the BJP side, where they were quick to remind the Congress of what their national president had said about the Kumbh just a few days ago, that a dip in the Sangam will not help eradicate poverty. They asked if the party will now question the same to D.K. Shivkumar, as he also plans to take the holy dip in the Sangam in the coming days.
D.K. Shivkumar will be visiting Mahakumbh and having a holy dip on 9th and 10th of February. Will Mr. Kharge question this? Will Mr. Priyanka Kharge question this? Or will Mr. Siddaramaiah question this? Saying that, what will happen if you go and take a dip in the holy water of Ganga? Will the poverty of Karnataka wipe off? Will D.K. Shivkumar be waived off of his sins? Mr. Kharge should answer this. In the belief system of Sanatana Dharma, if you're questioning everything, definitely there is a point wherein the people of India will not trust Congress party.
Now, questioned over his intentions of this visit, the Karnataka Deputy CM, however, has defended Party President Mallikarjun Kharge's statement. He says that religion is a personal matter and he could not entertain politics over this.
Mr. R. Ashok has questioned about you going to Kumbh, sir, and also said whether Kharge will react on why you're going to Kumbh.
See, any religion, any practices, any belief, it is a personal issue. Personal issue. We have to respect whatever is there. All over the world, on their leadership, on their religion, on their culture, it is their belief. It is my belief. I don't want to comment on what Ashok said, or I don't want to elaborate on what my leader has said. My leader has suggested in a very broader way. Because this should not be a political event. Kumbh or whatever is our practice should not be a political. What BJP is trying to do, they are just trying to make propaganda and try to take a political gain of this event. This is not a political gain of the event.
Imran is with us right now. Imran, good morning. The BJP here today is asking questions over this possible visit of D.K. Shivkumar to the Mahakumbh. However, he continues to defend the eradication of poverty statement made by his party chief Mallikarjun Kharge.
Well, absolutely, D.K. Shivkumar has, Mallikarjun Kharge made a statement about general about BJP and how BJP is playing politics of the entire issue. He said that this is a question of faith and it's an individual act, and there's what BJP is doing is politicizing the entire Kumbh Mela, and Kharge's remarks was regarding that. As per R. Ashok's new opposition, Karnataka's personal attack against Shivkumar, he said that he doesn't want rather Ashok's larger issues in that. Now the BJP is saying that the entire D.K. Shivkumar going to Kumbh is rather for a prayer for him to become the chief minister, and that's why he's going to Kumbh.
So religion becomes personal, especially when it comes to leaders there try to take the holy dip themselves, however, not taking a stand when it comes to the multiple statements that have now come across from the senior Congress party leaders, especially when time and again they have questioned the Mahakumbh. Thank you very much, Imran, for joining in. Now, even when it comes to on a day when Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a holy dip in the Sangam, here's a report detailing the significance of the Mahakumbh. Well, now it is being estimated over 40 crore devotees have taken the Astha ki dubki.